Hi everybody, I'm Mark Stover with Permacolumn, and I'm at the NFBA show, and I'm so happy to be here with you. Did you know that we are the #1 provider of permanent foundation systems in the post frame industry? We provide precast concrete posts that go in the ground that replace wood. This is a permanent foundation system, so once you build your building, it's going to last for generations. We have just introduced something brand new, and it's called the concrete skirt board. Now, how does this work? There's a simple bracket you put up here, you drill a hole, you punch the nail in. It's that easy. Here's the actual product itself. It has high strength concrete, as well as a new innovative product called basalt rebar. That goes right in here in the concrete. It's 3 times stronger than steel, and it's super lightweight. So it makes it very light for builders to be able to not only put the bracket on, but also put the precast concrete skirt board. Drill 1 hole here, punch a nail through there, and you are done. Once you have this system complete, you have to put a footing in the hole. This product is called the footing pad. It's light, it's easy, it's structurally sound. So when you dig your hole, you place it in, you take your precast concrete post, you put it on top of the hole, you take your precast concrete skirt board, you put it attached to the post, and you've got yourself a permanent foundation system. Permacolumn is the #1 company in the post frame industry for delivering solutions that make your building last longer. Build better, build stronger, build to last. By Permacolumn.